University. So my uncle's filming at this university in this building right here. We're gonna go in and film the students during their class, and after that we're gonna come out here and he's gonna film the students. So yeah.
조상화가 한 있어서 거기에 경배를 해야만 통과할 수가 있었습니다. 그러니까 당시 일본 쪽에
Everything my uncle took a picture of, I made an album with it. So let's open. I created this album. It came within like a day or so. This is the company. If you guys want to do this too, you will probably need to have a Microsoft computer in order to, you know. Here's the book. Here's the front. And it's like Korea. And on the side, it says summer 2018, June. He wanted to see. Who is this? Who is this? Wow! Wow!
AS 다 해가지고 지네 팔았던 물건 중에 문제가 있어서 반품된 것들 있잖아. 그거 다시 고쳐서 내보내는 거야.
And then this says 행복한 여행, which is happy trip 2018. And this is, that's it. I think it was around 15 won to make this book. Pretty good price, right? We arrived at Costco and we're gonna go up the elevator. Premium Bluetooth. It's like 24-1. They even sell bags here. Burberry. Prada. About the same stuff, I guess. Ooh, that's a loud alarm. That's something you don't find. You have a hearing aid center here. The water bottles here are different. They come in these large water bottles, or they also come like in a regular small water bottles like over there. They even have Adidas umbrella. I see there's some stuff that are only found in Korea, like the food, which I'll show you. There's nothing that special here, but oh, this is really cute. Oh, it's so soft. Foods here also are like kind of like the same, but there are made in Korea like this. There's some clothes here. I think I'll look at some of these. See the floors here, they're all like straight. So you can take your cart down. So these are the foods here. So they have the same salad. Pizza's the same. Oh, they do have chicken bake, but they also have bulgogi bake. chicken burger is new. Oh, they have blueberry yogurt, not just blueberry. That's new. I like Korean Costco better. We got the blueberry yogurt smoothie. That's the bulgogi bake. This is the teriyaki chicken bowl. This is chicken burger. There's cheese, and I guess this bulgogi right there. This looks like beef. And there's rice. 달리기 본다고? This chicken burger. This is like a little bit spicy. This is chicken bake. 이후에도 이거 있어야 돼. 없어? 그래? 치킨 베이크가 있어. 불고기 없어. Picking sticks. These are some snacks that they sell here. Those are the same. Those are the same. This is Korean. Veggie chips. Yep, but no. These I know. Sweet potato.
이거 딸기 맛이에요.
The Chinese candy.
근데 여기 풀었어. 근데 이거 그냥 캔이 아니라 저거 여기는.
Well, we have a big pack of Kit Kat. Those are Japanese chocolate. Have these. So where I live, they don't have this. This is Indian chicken curry. Let's see their desserts. This is new. Egg tarts.
매일매일 골라 먹는 재미가 있는 미니 페스츄리를 25개 1,990원에 드리고 있어요. 시중 가격의 3분의 1도 안 되는 가격에 드리고 있습니다. 오늘 미니 페스츄리
This is pastry.
보시고 이용하세요.